Hi everyone, this is Game Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Gagawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out kung anong meron sa Dawn Bell for today's video. Atake kung atake. Atake kung atake. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano meron dito, ma'am?
Dawn Bell will be on the bus. How did it feel?
It felt okay. To be honest, we were working. We were on set. So,
Okay.
nung pinalabas yung interview na yun, hindi din namin alam kung ano nangyayari. Kasi
Ah,
medyo emotionally mga eksena, sobrang bigat. So, if we check social media, it might affect it. But the next day, nung nakita na namin, and we saw that, our supporters really respected our decision.
Oo
and
naman.
I think everyone knows where we're coming from also. Yeah, it felt good, It felt like a good release. And we're just happy. Siyempre, emotional din siya. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung next time na magkikita kami sa set. Pero, for the most part, we're just very supportive
Pero
of each other.
importante, may asa pa din at hindi kayo mawawala for today's video. Yan yung importante. Di ba?
how did it feel?
Yan yung importante. Ay, ano to? Ito. Itong Binoy. Charis. Taray naman ni Belle. Isang buwan ang birthday. Hindi mo kaya. Saan dalahin? Oh. Ikaw naman isang buwan ang may birthday. Sino kaya? Si Joseph? Joseph? Sino yun? Joseph ba yun, ma'am? Ay, happy si Don. Don Bell and Game, happy sila. Ganda ni Belle. Pag wala talagang makeup si Belle, gandang-ganda ako kay Belle, I swear. And Game na talaga to, ma'am. Hindi na natin kailangan na kung ano-ano pa. And Game na talaga to. And game na talaga ito. Kahit anong sabihin ninyo, end
Gawa mo
game na.
dyan.
Dawn Bell is end game for today's video. Ay, hello? Kailan to? Kailan to? Ay, ng 22 pa to uploaded eh. Eh, 25 na ngayon. Paano naman? Eh, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Oh, loko. Oh. Dami sa baby, sa true lang. Being baby talaga. Ewan ko sa'yo si Donnie. Nanggigigil din ako sa'yo eh. Baby boy. Hindi, napanood na natin yan. Oh my God. Panood na natin yan. Happy talaga sila, ma'am. Ay! Oh, loko. Iba talaga pag nasa aeroplano. Chares. Ay, this is so cute. Anyways, tayo na tayo sa reels ng Dawn Bell kung ano yung makikita natin. Dito tayo mag-search kasi alam ko na kung saan dalahin. Chares. Tingnan natin. Chares. Ay, Dawn Bell through the years. Anyways.
Chris Nicole, thank you. Nice ni si
Mahal
02.
kita,
Mahal kita,
Donnie.
Donnie.
Ay, sorry.
Pinasa ko lang yung... Pinasa ko lang yung...
Bakit siya nag-sorry?
Ano ba yan?
Bakit siya nag-sorry? Bakit siya nag-sorry kay Belle? Di ba?
Anong minimentor niya sa kanya na pagdating sa
Hindi
pag-ibig?
panood na natin. Ay, ito Donnie and Belle for Dinagyang Festival. This was last January pa.
Now look at this.
Takas tayo.
Ay, ito.
Tapos mag-drive lang, tapos forget about your worries, and then maybe just enjoy
Silang labi si Donnie
each
siguro
other's
doon, no? Kaya
company.
tumalikod
Yeah,
siya.
and I do that with her in real life. When there are
Good, nuksan ko si Donnie.
so many like
Wala
problems going
na.
on, or like things get pretty crazy.
Ma'am, pag nakasama si Donnie, wala
Takas tayo.
na. Saan tayo
Tapos
dalahin?
mag-drive lang, tapos forget about your worries, and then maybe
Yan ang
just enjoy
sinasabi ko.
each other's company. Yeah, and I do that with her in real life.
Okay. Ay, it mo na ba? Ay, ngayon ko lang ito napanood. No. Napanood na natin yan. Ay! Wow!
Ikaw lang have to, tagal na yan, like when I was your PA. You remember that? We were the ones who
been with
tried to
me how
figure-
many
I
years
know.
now?
Remember that?
Nagliad-liad ako na hindi. But the series.
Nagliad-liad ako. Ay, hello. The gentleman. Kung saan niyakap ni Donnie at nagpakilala siya na may karapatan talaga siya for today's video. May karapatan talaga siya. Niyakap niya talaga dyan, mga mami. Oh, loko. Hindi siya magpapatalo. Ay, what is this? Gaano ka? Ay, oh my God. Ginawa ko to ng reaction video. Alam mo, feeling ko dito sila na rin, ha? Feeling mo? Feeling ko talaga dito sila na. Oo.
Sana hindi mag-fail. Kasi ang sabi lang natin sa kanya, may digital shoot. Tignan natin kung gaano kagaling ang team sa pagsisinungaling.
Ang tips sa pagsasalit. Nakakaloka naman. Ay, wait lang, Belle. Thank you. Ingat, nak. Hola. Teka lang, ang liit-liit niya. Hindi siya mascot, no? I mean, walang tao sa loob, for sure.
Ingat ka, be. Nak, ingat, nak.
Nak, ingat, nak.
Papasok na
Lahat ng
Ay. Ano to?
alaala na nabuo namin ni Cisco.
Siguro na nandito pa rin ako. I'll still keep supporting you. I'll still be rooting for you and cheering for you. Just
Naman.
because, let's say, something ends, it doesn't mean kasi na everything was bad. Gusto ko lang na maalala namin lahat ng happy moments, lahat ng mga successful moments, lahat ng moments na nagmahal talaga kami sa isa't isa. Yun, just all those moments instead of
Nagmahal kami sa
Siyempre,
isa't
when you
isa.
end something and it becomes toxic and stuff, those will linger. But I'd also like to think that, nagmahalan naman talaga yung isa't isa. There's still so much that you can do after something like that. It doesn't mean that your life is over. It's only just begun.
Lahat ng
It's always just
Alaala.
begun.
Watching, even here locally, sa mga cinemas natin, it just makes everything super worth it. So, we wouldn't have it any other way. We're just so blessed to be here and we can't wait to see a lot of them still.
Last question sa akin, Cisco and Jessica.
Watching, even here locally, sa mga cinemas natin, it just makes everything super worth it.
Okay. Ay. Hala, kay Bella hot yan. Big boy, no? Big boy talaga si Donnie, ma'am. Nice sa iyong pagdating. Gagagaking kita. Maganda din tong kantang Sinta eh. Sinta. Big sa'yo. Oh. Sa'yo pagdating. Anyways, that is it for today's video from Don Bell. This is Kikipo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!